Good evening, mga kawalwal. I'm here now at Falcon Supermarket at Binomran. Chicken and delivery for fresh chicken. All parts of fresh chicken here delivered now. I'm finished already delivered to the Falcon New Salata branch. Now I'm here again in Falcon Binomran. I'm coming here and to deliver again the fresh chicken. So now I'm chicken and vlogging here inside the Falcon Supermarket at Binomran branch from Falcon Supermarket New Salata. Coming here, Falcon Binomran Supermarket branch. Here, chicken also. So all vegetable and fruits here available at Falcon Binomran branch. Here also all vegetable and all Philippine product is available here at Falcon Supermarket Binomran branch. Here all the Filipino product. If you want to buy all Philippine product, come only at Falcon and Shopwise. All Philippine product is available here always. Here may Kawalwal Runing and Kawalwal Rosinda is there, is checking the whole chicken and refill the new stuff for chicken, and also checking the big model there for inventory and checking all how many fresh chicken delivery today at New Falcon Binomran branch. Mga kawalwal, malibot-libot kita diyan ay mga kawalwal kay libot kita diri sa New Falcon Binomran branch. All product of all Philippine product, mga kawalwal, is all available at all Falcon Supermarket, Shopwise, and also Philippine store, Asco. You see ingat muna tayo, relax mga kawalwal here inside the Falcon Supermarket. It's Kawalwal together. Kawalwal running is still checking and counting the fresh chicken delivery at Falcon Supermarket Binomran branch. Kawalwal Runing kasi Kawalwal Rosinda, mga kawalwal at chicken nag-inventory sa mga fresh chicken kakamba ko ma-deliver naman mga kawalwal. All here, all Philippine product, all lots is here. Here, olive, fresh olive here. Here, mushroom, all lots. Kawalwal. ikot-ikot muna. Busy pa si Kawalwal Roning, si Kawalwal Rosinda sa kaka-inventory tsaka kabilang sa mga delivery naman yung first chicken. Kita ko sila mga kawal. Away lang di mga kawal, wala kong galibot-libot tsaka kag-vlog ka, kagkapin pa kung deliver kasi ang business mo. Okay. Okay, bye-bye mga kawal. Bye, don't forget to subscribe and hit the button bell and likes. Thank you, bye bye.